Yeah, it's a long day. That's the challenge. The closer you get to game time, the more your mind is running with you sometimes, and especially when it's a late kickoff like tomorrow, 7:30, and normally when it's a 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock game, things happen quite fast and quick, and in it. So the reality is we have to manage the day calmly, and we've got a plan in place when the guys will have a bit of free time, but also get together and so on. And then once it's about 3-4 hours before kickoff, then the real McCoy start. Then we're into a set routine. But yeah, again, it's just a great privilege to be here, and we haven't changed a lot. We stick to the stuff we've done for the last couple of weeks. Keep it simple, and we can just still enjoy it. I think that's the most important part. That we're so driven. Everybody wants success, but ultimately it's still a talent and still a blessing and still a sport that we have to enjoy.
Congratulations on making it this far. All the best.
Thank you very much. Thanks, Lunga.
Thank you, Coach.
Thanks, my
All the
man.
best. All the
Appreciate it.
best.
Thanks.